Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Now I'll show you how to bypass the Family Link application, how to bypass parental controls of Google Family Link on your Samsung Galaxy A33. So first you need to open settings, then scroll down, then choose Google, click manage your Google account, click Get Started, choose Data and Privacy, scroll down and click Delete your Google account. Enter your password, click Next, scroll down, click I understand, yes and yes, and click Delete account. By clicking it, your Google account will be deleted, but not afraid, we will recover it after 5 minutes, so not afraid. Now open your apps menu and you can see that in this moment all my applications are unlocking, and wait a while. And cool, as you can see all my apps was successfully unlocked, and now we can delete parental controls from our device. Just uninstall this application. And cool, now we need to recover our Google account. To do this, open Play Store, click Sign In, enter email, you will see message about your Google account deleted. Click Next, enter your password. Cool, now click Next and you will see message about something going on. So just click Next and log in into your Google account again. So enter your email, and enter your password. Click Next, click I agree, scroll down, click Accept, and cool, Google account was successfully recovered, Google Family Link was successfully bypassed, and that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.